Hey everybody, welcome back to the Sjolie YouTube channel. My name is Kelly and today we're going to be talking about the 5 top tips for spray tan technicians to help you save money and stop wasting solutions. Starting off with tip number 1 is going to be solution screw settings. So the solution screw controls how much solution comes out of your gun at a time, and if that's open way too much, you're going to have a lot more overspray than needed, and that's definitely going to waste solution. So for the Apollo gun, we suggest about 4 or 5 half turns back from the very close position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe 5, and test that out and see how that feels. For the Fuji gun, the solution screw settings for this is going to be all the way from the close position. You're going to open it up 1 full turn. If that is too much, you could always dial it back, but anything more than 1 full turn will cause a little bit too much overspray. The second tip is going to be for all of the Fuji users. So the Fuji applicator has a fan pattern control knob on the very top of the gun, right here, and it's going to control how wide or narrow that fan pattern is. So if it's in the 12 o'clock position like it is right now, this is going to be the widest fan pattern that Fuji offers. If you are spraying in a 12 o'clock position like this, it's just going to be too much overspray and too wide of a fan pattern to get more of a controlled technique. I would suggest having it at like the 1 or 2 o'clock position like this. Moving on to tip number 3, it's going to be how much solution you actually need per spray tan. So ideally we want about 2 to 3 ounces per spray tan, and that will be just enough to give us full even coverage and 1 even coat. Anything more than that honestly is going to be too much solution put on the body at a time, which can cause oversaturation and potential overdevelopment. On to tip number 4, we're going to talk about distance from the body when spraying. Ideally, you want to be about 8 to 10 inches away from the body while you are performing your spray tan passes. Anything too close or too far away will cause dripping or just too light of a coverage, which will cause you to then have to spray them again. The 5th and final tip is going to be spraying in even, clean passes. We don't want to be spraying in all sorts of patterns. We want to keep it controlled. Think of the body as a flat sheet of paper. We're going to do one body part at a time. Focus on even coverage, keeping your distance even throughout the spray tan pass. Overlapping passes or doing multiple coats is only going to waste solution on your end. So 1 even coat is all that you need.